God, or for a heart to praise my God, a heart from sin set free, a heart that always feels the blood so freely shed for me. So the message kanina was so precise and very clear, so I don't go further about this theme. But the program flows, the messages of the songs tonight will help us and lead us focus on how to praise our God. Includes about redemption, about salvation, and about forgiveness. Kaya mamaya meron tayong maririnig ng mga conducting pieces like all for Jesus thy blood and righteousness. And later meron tayong maririnig na Latin song. It's about Jubilate Deo. It's great rejoicing. Jubilate means great rejoicing. Deo means God. So that's the meaning of the Latin song. So may I request everyone as the musicians or performers going recital later, please no extra noise or don't roam around, and please finish the recital to give respect po sa ating mga musicians. So music, it's a hard work. Mga students po natin hindi sila naglalaro. It requires spiritual discipline, efforts, even our resources. So, kung titingnan mo sila dito sa taas or even sa baba, para lang sila naglalaro. When you wash your clothes, when you clean your room, it's just you're cleaning, you're exerting time and effort. But when you play music, it includes your mind, your spirit, your body, and soul. Kung may sakit ka, it affects your singing. Ako, kung may sakit ako, it affects my voice. So this is how hard music is. So itong kanilang gagawin tonight, hindi lang siya, dito kami nag-focus on our classes. This is just a part of our music subject. So this is the first time, so I hope you stay with us. So kung ang focus natin tonight is it's about the message of the songs, the singing. Kasi God created music, and even the elements of music. It's like the rhythm. So, kaya the music makes some powerful communication. So hopefully it will give us the message tonight and not focus sa performer. So they might perfect their pieces kasi nakabahan na sila from last week and even from previous nights, hindi sila nakatulog. And ang nakatulog, nakakanda, nakapiano. Pero ayun po. So thank you all, choir members, church, for your support tonight. And as the program goes, we will start sa piano, vocal solos,